Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative. I am here with my spot, TM, with a haul. So, this week, well, again, this video is up late, sorry. This is in January, but I don't know when this will be up, but anyway, it's on my Instagram. I've been showed it. Always check my IG, DaretoBeCreative1. I always post the stuff sooner than my videos are up. But this is a nice large size die. It is 6.2 by 6.2, so I don't think this will fit in your cutter book because I believe the cutter book is 5.75, maybe 6 inches wide, but this is 6.2. So you're probably going to need your, like I have a Big Shot Plus or, you know, some other big one to fit it in. I mean, you can try it, but it's basically a squared shape. So you can see how large that is. Sorry about the glare, but in comparison to my hand. So that's pretty large. Now it does say Hay Blossom. Hay Blossom. It does say Hay Blossom. I'm going to say Cherry Blossom, but it does say Hay Blossom. And that's the name of a Hay Blossom die set. It's 7 pieces. So you got your outer rings, your inner rings, so you don't have to put them all together. So you can layer them different ways, different colors, or just use just different pieces of it because there's 7 different sections. And the Hay Blossom is actually one little piece by itself. And you can see it also embosses with that. So that was the only one I got this week, and this is one of the extra large dies. What I did get a lot of, well, let me go ahead and show the other stuff first. I did pick up this lettered stencil, and it's another one they had too. I like the mosaic, the different kind of designs like that, if you can see that. Sorry about the lighting. And the enamel dots. I got the Met Girl, I think it's the Metro Girl, and then the coffee dots. I love the colors. I hate the price, but you know, because I only get these like 68 cents. But I love the pretty colors. And I got 3 dies. They had a ton of them. They had the bow tie punch one, which I already had that one. They got like 4 different tags, punches, and then also had the hole that does a grommet. Lots of different ones. I didn't post every single one of them up there, but I posted quite a few. This is the burst, and it's 1.8 inches. So again, just a floral one. So we need a quick flower. I have smaller flower punches, but I didn't have a large one like this. I have a different shape, but not like that. And this one too. I need to check. I gotta make sure I don't have. This is the one I may have. When I do, I take this one back. But that one is 1.54. I know I didn't have this shape. I have quite a few of the little filigree like ones. This one is called Family Tree. And so I had that one. I gotta double check to make sure I'm looking over my door. I keep them, the majority of my punches, in, like, you know, the shoe holders that you can hang on the back of your door. And I have them in the sleeves on both sides of my door, so because there's so many punches. But I like punches because they're quick and fast. And I don't always feel like pulling out something to die cut. And even though I got a Cricut and die cut machines. Now I did get quite a few of these embellishments packs because I wanted to make some masculine embellishments and just have some on handy, but some of these are not masculine, but they do have some, you know, some more of the navy or the darker colors and things like that. So I got them, and then of course I did get a girl one that I knew was strictly girl, and one was for family. But a lot of them had some elements that I thought could go for a masculine thing. So I'm anticipating, of course, these paper collections will come out. So most of these by Carter Bella and Echo Park. Yeah, most of them Echo Park and Carter Bella. Yeah. But anyway, so let's look at them real quick. And they're all $2.29. They used to be $1.99. They used to be $1.49. So this one is frames and tags, and you get how many pieces? 33 pieces. And you know, I saw that red in here. I was like, oh yes, it got some color red. Because again, you don't get to craft for red that much, so I wasn't gonna let this go. And you can see the images up here. Sorry about the lighting. I don't know if that's gonna help or not. And then this is another Carter Bella, and this one has 33 pieces as well. And this one, frames and tags, and I believe this one has been out before. I'm not sure. And then this one's another frames and tags. But they're different. See, now on the front of this it says Let's Cruise Frames. So this is Let's Cruise Frames. Oh, I'm sorry, it's right there. I missed that. And this one just says Cartopia. And again, this is cars, kind of that boy thing, zoom, a throttle, green light. So I thought, again, this would be nice for some masculine, boy and kind of ephemera. They're doing a layout or something. This one is Celebrate Winter. And I have two Celebrate Winters, but they're totally different. So this is the first Celebrate Winter, but I like the colors. And again, you got some red in there as well. You don't really get red a lot of times in the winter, but I was glad to see that. And this is another one, Celebrate Winter as well. Let me see some on the front, see if anything's different. This one says Winter Frames. And this one just says Winter Ephemera on the sticker. Next one, this one says I Am Mom. Yes, I am. And this has some red in it. I'm like, yay. I mean, not a lot, but it's got some red in it. I'm like, it's so hard to find red. And I'm like, I found so many with, with some elements of red in them. I was like, yes. Can't pass them up. I don't know why people can't scrap in bold colors. I don't know why. And this one is Once Upon a Time Prince. And again, so the paper pad has been out. I didn't get it, but I just wanted some of the ephemera. And this one is Adventure Awaits. Again, some of your dark masculine colors. Of course, I did get Go Girly as well. And this is Perfect Princess. I mean, can't pass the princess up. And then this is Passport. Again, more of the travel, but it still got some red in there. So the only one that didn't have any red in it, red in it was the princess one. I guess princess can't wear red, but this princess will. Well, I'm a queen, so I can upgrade from pink to red because that's me. I'm a red girl. All right, so this is Our Family, and I thought there was some unique ones about family, so I got that one as well. So that is my haul for this week whenever it's up. And I'm sure these paper pads, some of them are already out. I've seen them before, like last year, they had the chipboards out as well. So be on the lookout for that. Some of these also I haven't seen before, like this one. So, well, that one. The cruise one, I've seen the chipboard and the paper pad. Paper and this one, Cartopia. I think I've seen stickers or something with that one. The winter ones, I don't think I've seen that one either. I Am Mom, nope. Like I said, the Prince one's out. This one's been out. Those been out. And I think the Passport frame. So some of these are new, so I anticipate, the paper pads coming out soon. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.